Coach Nikki Osbourne has rubbished claims by Elaine Thompson-Herah's management team and the sports management that her remuneration request for coaching services was, quote, extremely excessive, which led to negotiations breaking down. The coach was quoted by Sportsmax TV as saying that the Sprinters team put out saying we came to them, gave them no room to negotiate is a big lie. Osbourne confirmed via quote that she requested for 15% in separate meetings with Thompson-Herah and her husband Darren, noting further that she rejected a garbage contract from the latter. Coach Osbourne did not state what her expectation of 15% of Thompson-Herah's shoe contract was, nor the flat figure which was offered. However, TVJ's sports sources with the knowledge of the negotiations indicate that the Olympic champions team had offered a flat rate of US $40,000 for the year, which would amount to less than 50% of what Osbourne was requesting.